it gets so compulsive and obsessive that you keep going in there and doing it. And if you're consistently making money, you sort of, in a way, you probably create these problems for yourself by, you know, you're winning, and you want, you know, you want to have that a bigger trade or win bigger, you know, and that's when you usually start losing.
Usually lunchtime he'll ring me, I can tell by his tone of voice. Like, hello. Or we are booked on a flight that afternoon. I know he's had a really bad day. And he'll sort of say, we're going to Bali at 5 o'clock, pack the kids up.
I've had a day where it's been some economic data has come out. I think it was an employment figure, and the data was bearish. So the market went to lunch at 12:30. The bonds were weak. I think they were off 10. Anyhow, I got back from lunch and I looked up, and I think the Nikkei had taken a 2 or 3% dive. 2 o'clock comes, I'm 200 short. The market opens up 3 or 4 points higher. And of course, I'm trying to protect my position, and BT start buying. So I sell another 50 and it goes against me straight away, 3 or 4 points. I'm short 250 now, and there are no sellers. It rallies 3 or 4 points, so I sell another 100. You know, not even taking into account the flight to quality, not even thinking, just thinking that these are too expensive. I'm 350 short now, and it's really starting to look a bit serious. It rallies another 5 points, and I sell another 150, so I'm 500 short. And at this stage, I'm looking at about $500,000, and I'm just screaming out, sellers, sellers, give me a seller. You know, I want a seller so I can get out. Sellers, sellers. No one knows what's going on with me, of course, because it's just mayhem in the pit. I could taste blood in my mouth, and my heart was beating. You know, I was looking at about $700,000. I was thinking about my wife. My life was just flashing in front of me. I was thinking about the house. And I'm there screaming, sellers, sellers, sellers. And there's just, all of a sudden the market just goes dead quiet. And there's just one guy, odd minute, just bidding for 200 at the high, going like 57 for 200, 57 for 200. And I'm going, if I have to pay any, 3 points higher, it's going to cost me over $1 million. That's going to be me out of the game. And all of a sudden, sellers came in, and sellers came in hard. And before I could buy them back, the market came off 5 points, came off another 5 points. I bought them back and took a $500,000 loss, and I was just very happy to get out at a $500,000 loss.
I mean, I have to try and keep myself together as much as I'd like to kill him. You can't. It just makes the situation worse. And,
yeah.
You know, he could lose everything. He's one of those traders that, you know, could end up with nothing, and I'm not prepared.